Welcome to Soumiz World, and this is Soumi in real. So from a long time I have been thinking, why not introduce myself in person with all the lovely viewers and subscribers I have and let you all know my journey into Soumiz World. So I had this passion of cooking from childhood. I used to try out different kind of cuisine myself and just experiment with various options which I had in the household. One of my greatest stress buster to share with you all is cooking. So whenever I am down or low, I just need to go to the kitchen and start cooking. I actually wanted to let you all know that thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me and giving me all this love which I've got. So in my kitchen, you're going to get various kind of cuisines, be it American or Chinese or Thai or Italian, continental, and not to forget, me being a Bengali from Kolkata, of course, Bengali cuisine, and also Indian. So many other different kind of recipes you're going to find out in my kitchen. Just stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Some of the recipes which I share with you are also secret recipes which are learned from my loved ones whom I used to admire a lot from my childhood, be it my grandmother or my mother. Best part which I like, they are all simple. So I actually tried to follow that trend, developed a pattern of cooking where I believe that making simple recipes with minimal ingredients can sometimes be the secret to that great taste which you are looking for. It's not always that you have to give a lot of ingredients to make a tasty food. In my channel, I generally make a lot of food with only 3 to 4 ingredients. I believe that with very little ingredients, sometimes you can make really tasty food. So keep watching my channel and let me know what kind of cuisine you would like to see. Any other feedback which you have for my channel, I will be so happy to reply to all of them. So there is this one stop which is Soumiz World where you are going to get everything. I opened this channel in 2020 and I have got a lot of support from all of you and all you viewers who have not yet subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe so that I can get more motivated and share with you all more amazing and secret recipes. Every week there will be one recipe at least for you to make at your home and enjoy. Bye bye.